The Dji Mini 3 Pro is a compact and portable device that combines the features of a power bank, a wireless charger, and a charging cable all in one. It is designed to be versatile and convenient, making it a perfect accessory for those who are always on the go. One of the standout features of the Dji Mini 3 Pro is its ability to charge multiple devices simultaneously. It has 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port, allowing you to charge up to 3 devices at once. Additionally, it has a wireless charging pad that can charge any Qi-enabled device. The Dji Mini 3 Pro has a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, which is enough to fully charge most smartphones up to 3 times. It also has a compact and sleek design that makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. The built-in charging cable is also a nice touch, as it eliminates the need to carry extra cables with you. Another great feature of the Dji Mini 3 Pro is its LED display. It shows the battery level and charging status of each device, making it easy to keep track of your device's charging progress. Overall, the Dji Mini 3 Pro is a great investment for anyone who is always on the go and needs a reliable charging solution. Its multiple charging ports, wireless charging pad, compact design, and LED display make it one of the best portable chargers on the market.